A wave of severe weather hit the Veneto region this afternoon, bringing heavy rain and hail, particularly to eastern Veneto and the province of Padua. A supercell of thunderstorms struck the region starting at 2:00 p.m., but then moved rapidly from west to east, bringing heavy hail, torrential rain, and strong wind gusts. The most affected areas were Vicenza, the upper province of Padua, and western Treviso, where hail up to 3 centimeters in diameter fell, while strong winds lashed the region. Coldiretti reported significant crop damage from the hail, and in several areas of the province of Padua, trees were uprooted and objects uprooted by the strong winds. In some areas, strong thunderstorms and rushing water also caused flooding, making it difficult for vehicles to pass. Fortunately, there were no reports of injuries or fatalities, and the storm cell then moved rapidly eastward. A yellow weather warning for thunderstorms is in effect for the entire region and will remain in effect for the next few hours and throughout the weekend. The Veneto Regional Civil Protection Functional Center has issued a new critical weather warning, establishing a temporary yellow alert for the entire region, except the Alto Piave Basin from 1:00 p.m. today, August 1, until midnight on Sunday, August 3, 2025. Heavy thunderstorms, heavy rain, and hail are expected across the region on Saturday, August 2, and Sunday, August 3. These phenomena will become more widespread and frequent tomorrow, with the possibility of intense episodes, especially between the Alps and the plains. An unusual hailstorm struck the Limena region of Italy, leaving the ground covered in ice balls. Videos show the size and intensity of the hailstorm. A powerful hailstorm struck the residents of Limena, Padua, Italy, on the afternoon of August 2, 2025. Medium-sized hailstones reportedly fell, covering streets and yards, as shown in several videos circulating on social media, demonstrating the intensity of the meteorological phenomenon.